If you've been trying to figure out how to build a conditional logic form that adapts to responses, this quick tutorial is going to save you hours of trial and error. I tested the most popular form builders and landed on one that does this incredibly well, and I've secured an exclusive free trial for viewers of my channel, linked below. Conditional logic forms can look simple, but under the hood, they're dynamic. They adapt in real time based on what your users select, making your forms feel more personalized, reduce drop-off rates, and boost conversion. So if you're building forms for lead generation, surveys, or onboarding, this is a game changer. And in the next few minutes, you'll know exactly how to do it. Let's get straight into it. Start by signing up for the software we'll be using. Again, link in the description if you want to follow along with the same tool. Once you're in, create a new form from scratch or use a pre-built template. Either works. Now here's where the magic happens. Add your first question. Say it's a multiple choice asking what service someone is interested in. Then select that question and look for the option labeled logic, rules, or conditions depending on the software. Set your rule. If user selects X, then show question Y. For example, if someone selects web design, then show a follow-up question like, do you already have a website? But if they select SEO, skip that, and instead ask about their current rankings. This is the core of building a conditional logic form that adapts to responses. Each user only sees what's relevant to them. Repeat this process for as many branches as you need. And yes, you can stack conditions, like showing a group of questions only if 2 or more conditions are met. Just keep things clean. Don't overcomplicate. Think like the user. What's the most natural next step based on their answer? Once you've mapped your logic, hit preview and test every branch. Make sure the form responds as expected based on each path. You can also use hidden fields if you want to track responses without cluttering the form, especially helpful if you're connecting it to a CRM or email tool. When you're happy, save it, grab the embed code, and drop it into your website or landing page. Most of these tools also support direct sharing links if you don't want to embed it. Here's the key takeaway. Conditional logic forms don't just look smart, they are smart. They let you personalize the experience, keep forms short and relevant, and make your business look way more professional without custom coding. Quick revision. Sign up for the software using the exclusive free trial below, create or use a template, add your questions, apply logic rules to show or hide based on answers, test every path, then embed or share. That's it. Before you go, I highly recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial linked in the description. It's only available to my viewers, and it's the best way to build these forms quickly without limitations. Thanks for watching. Go build something that actually adapts to your audience.